Hello guys, do you know this used tea leaf is very much essential as a fertilizer for our plants? You can use tea leaves directly as a fertilizer for your plants. Tea has nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, the same contents a store bought fertilizer will have. So, here's how we can use it. We can discuss step by step. So, step 1, wash and dry the tea leaves in the normal water before adding them to a container. It is to sprinkle dried leaves since it is easier to estimate the amount you are adding and it does not attract flies. Step 2, you can add 4 to 5 teaspoons to each plant once in 10 days. Please take care not to overdose your plant. This may seem really less, but I saved tea leaves from 24 cups of tea and I could not add it to 3 plants. Step 3, don't expect any life changing sudden improvement, but it will enrich the soil, act as a pesticide, and prevent weeds. And step 5, you can use black or green tea for this. It is always better to add sugar to your tea after you sieve the leaves. Tea has nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, means NPK, the same contents a store bought fertilizer will have. Wash and dry the tea leaves in the sieve itself before adding them to a container. So, guys, adding nutrients and improving the soil. Use tea grounds and fresh tea leaves contain nutrients and tannic acid that, when added to the soil, create a more fertile environment for garden, landscape, and container plants. Because tea grounds are natural organic matter, they increase nutrient level and improve soil quality as they decompose. This is in turn increase the level of activity by earthworms and other beneficial microorganisms. Tea grounds added to the soil also provide benefits such as improved oxygenation that create a stronger root system for your plants, because plants take water and nutrients in through their root systems. The result is more vibrant, healthier plant. And the other use is, guys, do you know this used tea leaf fertilizer is very much important for our rose plants, especially for rose. This used tea leaf fertilizer is very good fertilizer for our rose plants. Soil pH and acid loving plants. It is important to note that not all plants respond well when tea grounds and used tea bags are added to the soil directly or in compost form. The natural tannic acid inside tea leaves leaches into the soil with rainwater as tea grounds decompose, thereby lowering the soil's pH and increase acidity. This poses a problem for plants that require neutral to alkaline soils but create the ideal conditions for acid loving plants to thrive. Use fresh and used tea grounds only on acid loving plants such as rose bushes and ferns. The best way to monitor your soil's acidity is through pH testing with a home test kit. Applying tea grounds to plants and compost. When applying used tea grounds to improve plant growth, mix the loose tea leaves directly into the plant soil or spread the tea leaves around the topsoil like mulch. Like as I am using for my rose plant. When using tea grounds contained inside bags, remove the tea bags from the bag or add the bags to the drainage layer of pot plants. If you want to add tea grounds to your vegetable and edible garden plants, do so directly. With organic compost, adding straight tea grounds to garden soil during periods of active growth may disturb your garden pH balance or affect the flavor of your crop. Tea grounds make a healthy addition to organic compost piles as they encourage decomposing bacteria. Without organic compost, tea grounds can be added to your garden soil prior to planting your summer or winter garden. So, guys, to ensure that tea grounds decompose properly, do not apply used to grounds content inside polyester tea bag. Stick with paper tea bags. Tea Use tea leaf as a source of nitrogen for your garden soil. Whether you apply them as mulch or compost, use tea leaves as fertilizer depends on what your garden needs. If you like this information, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.